Adlaw na adlaw everyone. So welcome to our vlog. So we are here in Barangay Ipil, Surigao del Norte, Caraga region to show you all one of the delicacies here called kakanin. Kakanin is a traditional Filipino rice-based snack made from glutinous rice, coconut milk, and sugar. As you can see, there are many variants like puto, kutsinta, and suman or sayungsong, each with its own unique taste and texture.
So how is kakanin made? First, the glutinous rice is cleaned and prepared. Then, it is mixed with coconut milk and sugar to create a rich and sweet base. Next, the mixture is cooked using different methods depending on the type. Some are steamed like poto, others are baked like bibingka, and some are wrapped in banana leaves and boiled or steamed like suman. After cooking, toppings like grated coconut, cheese, or latik are added to enhance the flavor.
Kakanin originates from the pre-colonial period in the Philippines, where rice was always been staple food. Early Filipinos developed these delicacies using native ingredients like rice and coconut. Over time, kakanin became an important part of the Filipino culture and a tradition, especially in rural areas such as Surigao del Norte, where recipes are passed down through generations. Each region, including Barangay Ipil, may have its own unique variation, depend on available ingredients and local cooking styles.
Hi guys! The most I like is sayungsong because this the one of delicacies in Surigao del Norte in Barangay Ipil, and I like it because I rate it 10 over 10. Come on.
Ako guys, mas malaong diri. Sa una, bata pa ko. Ilawang ko na guys, oh. Para, kung ba nato kung magito ka lami, bakit diri sa Barangay Ipil, ilang tinda diri. Na? Arit na ako diri guys is 10 over 10 kasi so, nung una pa bata pa ko, 7 years old bata ko dun. Ito talaga pinaka-paborito ko. Basta masabi ko lang guys. Ito talaga is the best. Pinaka-paborito ko talaga to. 10 over 10 talaga. Yun na po. Sakto lang. Yung matamis. Yung tabang. Sakto na yun. Yun na.